How are we doing? All right. I probably should change that. There we go. Hi. How are we doing? I will be unboxing the Lexip mouse. I received it today in a package. I was a Kickstarter backer, so I got the mouse as well and all the advancements they made for the mouse. I think I had to pay 110 US dollars. I forget. It was translated to euros. I think it was 100 euros basically. So, hold on. Let's see how far this reaches. Cool, far enough. All right. So, box is huge. Like you couldn't ask for a bigger box. It's also really cold outside, and when FedEx put down the box, it actually like froze. I've already kind of opened the box because I wanted to make sure it was right, so I just didn't do the stream for no reason, you know. There's unboxing. So first off, you know, we'll just go with the fun part. Oh wow, this mouse pad. It's Lexip banded. It's I don't know. It's 7 colors. This is the first time I've seen this mouse pad. I've seen the mouse plenty on like demos and stuff, but the first time for the mouse pad. It's really nice. Some 7 LED lighting numbers. A touch button to change the LED modes. USB plug. So we're not going to test this right now. This will probably not be on an unboxing unless something really lends it, but for today, the big deal is this mouse. So here's the mouse. Here's the box. It's nice, fancy. So the mouse pivots in multiple directions, and the thumbs, as you can. Oops, there's the mouse. There you go. So where you can see the mouse pivots back, forth, forward, back. I mean back and forth, side to side, and the thumb joystick turns. 6 buttons. It can go up to 100. Wait, no. 12,000 DPI. Sorry. So really good DPI compared to like most things. And without any further ado, let's crack this baby open. Or crack almost open. So it opens to this nice fancy cover here. It's kind of nice. Two joysticks and 1 mouse. The 2-axis joysticks wheel and a 2-axis joystick. They call it the unfair advantage. Simplify your gameplay and heighten your performance. The PU-N94 is the device that allows actions to be combined more quickly by limiting the use of keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to really try this with like StarCraft at some point. I'm not very good at StarCraft, but maybe it'll make my life easier. Who knows? All right, so we're going to pull this out. So this is the Kickstarter edition mouse. They did have a regular edition mouse, but I decided I didn't want it. So it is what it is. I need something to cut this. Hold on, because I did not come fully prepared. Just gotta break the tape seal. There we go. Pens always do the trick. All right. So, here we go. So here's the mouse. It's pretty nice actually. This Kickstarter edition. So see Kickstarter here in the bottom. It's feels really nice. A lot of people complain that it's really large. Actually, don't know if I like where the thumb joystick is. It seems a little far forward. The clicking is nice. Seems solid. The pivot, oops, is pretty nice. It seems very smooth for the pivot. I won't lie. Like I'm just so. We're gonna try to angle the camera down here. So we're gonna put it here. Oh, nope, too far. So here, and you pivot, and it's nice rocks. It's pretty solid. It's still flat. It feels really smooth. Like the balls underneath look really cool. Actually, I really like these little balls here. See, laser technology. It's green because it's the Kickstarter edition. So, they did change the coating late in the Kickstarter because the gel tabs are not going to be made in time. So it was they had a delay. Either you could choose the delay till October or have the coating put on it. So the vote was that the coating would go on it. So that is what they did. Currently, it's not wireless mouse at all. It is wired, so we will be putting it in. Currently, I'm using an Amazon Basics gaming mouse. So I was using a Logitech G600, but I got annoyed with how many buttons there were. So the cable is actually really nice. It's braided. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have the user manual and a letter to Kickstarter, to dear Kickstarter backer. From the very beginning, you have trusted our ability to provide you with a game-changing PC peripheral, the Lexip PU94. And for this, my team and I are grateful. You obviously belong to the minority who challenges facts, who keeps seeking improvement, who can imagine things as they could be, not only as they are. And if you are willing to use a tool such as the PU94, you are ready to redraft the borders of your habits because you know that self-improvement only happens out of your comfort zone. And I believe you are right. Please be aware that my team and I are available to answer your questions when learning to use PU94. You can write us through KS Live, Kickstarter Live, or send an email to their support website. Here is also in Skype ID for report. It is dedicated to our Kickstarter backers. Please make sure that you do not share it around you. And there's that note. I'm not going to share that. It is mostly for troubleshooting of the software, which I know needs work according to the comments, so we'll see. I've already installed it prior. I haven't had any issues, but people don't have really issues until the mouse plugged in, so we're going to see how this goes. The lines are available for periods of time. The company is based in France, so if you look for them, we'll be happy to answer your questions. Please feel free to drop us a message when you receive it or to share your experience when discovering and using it. As an entrepreneur, I'm proud to have raised your enthusiasm for the PU94 gaming mouse. As a gamer, I hope your experience minus like never before when using it. And as a fellow human being, I wish you a lot of fun when gaming. Signed, Lionel Chattanigger. Chattanigger? I don't know. Chattanigger. CEO and co-founder. So, they put everything in French first, which I don't quite like. I would think they would kind of make it in American first. Is this ES? They wrote in worldwide languages, so I mean I can translate some of it. but not all of it. It's like, oh, here it is. Here's the English version. Sorry, it's on like page 5. Let's get some light in here because it's getting dark for me. Pew94 cable instructions. Getting started. Plug your cable in. Plug your cable in, and the Pew will work like a standard mouse. Joystick is equipped with a mini thumbstick. The joystick has the ability to send more than 90,000 angle values to perform complex sustained actions. Laser produces 12,000 DPI, 360 interval point, buttons, 6 programmable buttons, ceramic feet. If you want the almond induction friction, branded USB wire. Braided, sorry, not branded. Control panel. Power supply is 5 volts, 200 amps. Troubleshooting, try another computer. All right. So let's plug this baby in. Let's see how this works.